All of us would agree that enough money to cover basic needs makes us happy and relieves the stress which leads to greater contentment. The more money we have, the more stuff we can buy that makes us happy. That sleek smartphone, that fancy new car, or that luxurious party wear, or even that beautiful mansion. High earners are happier, in part because of an increased sense of control over life. When you have more money, you have more choices about how to live your life. Even in this COVID pandemic, we have seen people who are living paycheck to paycheck and who lose their job ends up taking up the first available job in order to stay afloat, even if it is one they dislike. People with a financial cushion, on the other hand, can wait for one that is a better fit. So across decisions big and small, having more money gives a person more choices and a greater sense of autonomy. All things being equal, having more money is always going to be a good thing. But while money may make you happier, there are things that lend complexity to that correlation. Studies have associated higher incomes with higher level of stress, increased likelihood of divorce, and less enjoyment of small activities. While money can give us more control over our time, the fact is that most of us don't use money to buy more free time or fun activities with friends and family. Let us consider these facts. In some ways, with more money, we end up continuing to buy more of what we already have. Yes, money can buy you things, but those things need not necessarily bring joy and happiness along with them. The happiness of acquiring goods is always temporary. It wears off after some time. For example, we might be really excited to buy an expensive car, but over time we take that car for granted. And also, with more money, we adjust our expectations upward. As our income goes up, we feel we need to buy more expensive things. So, the more we get, the more we want. It is also found that greater materialism is associated with a lot of negative effects like lower self-esteem, greater narcissism, less empathy, and more conflicted relationships. So, there is no perfect instruction on how much money is needed to be happy. Along with materialism, there are certain important things we have to remember. Spend time around the people you love and cherish those moments you experience with them. Have a sense of gratitude and appreciation to remember how lucky we are, to be thankful for all the positive and amazing things happening in our lives. Go where you are celebrated, not tolerated. Spend your time where you feel appreciated and loved. Find and do something that you love, regardless of how much money it will make you. So the closing thoughts are, though money undoubtedly is an important element in life, it is not the only means for well-being. And for sure, more abundant money doesn't guarantee well-being. It is always worth to remember that most of the important pleasures in life cannot be brought. What really brings us satisfaction in life are relationships, purpose, meaning, and connecting back to nature. If we can remember that, we can find ways to enhance our well-being. Thank you.